Hi, third graders. So this is going to go with page 42 and 43 in your science books. We're going to be introducing the lesson, How Do We Test and Improve a Solution? When testing solutions to a problem, it is not easy to think of every way a solution might fail. The real world will often find a way to break something. This says, can you solve it? The Tacoma Narrows Bridge collapsed on November 7, 1940. Engineers studied the wreckage. They found that the strong winds caused the bridge to flex, twist, and tear apart. So here's a video that I want us to watch about that was taken of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge while it was undergoing the strong winds. So let's watch and find out what happened. There's no sound that goes on in this movie, but as we're watching the bridge is just shaking. So you can see it rising and falling. There's a truck or a car on the bridge there. Imagine what you would be feeling if you were that truck on the bridge. Whoa, there it goes, crashing down. Okay. So the bridge has completely collapsed. Okay. It tore apart. There were cars on it. Okay. It was waving around when there were cars on it. Let's go ahead and watch it one more time. This time I want you to imagine what you would be feeling if you were on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge while this was happening. Ooh, so scary. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of that. Okay, what are some adjectives you would use to describe the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge? Okay, so here's your book. Here's your book. So this is the How Do We Test and Improve a Solution? Okay, then we looked at this picture. This is what your book has about the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. And twisting and waving and collapsing. Okay, and then here on these lines, what are some adjectives you would use to describe the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge? Remember, adjectives are describing words. Okay, so I want you to make a list of 3 adjectives that you would use to describe it, and then answer the question, how do you think new bridge designs were tested and improved? So what do you think engineers did to improve bridge designs after the Tacoma Narrows Bridge collapsed? So remember, the Tacoma Narrows Bridge could not withstand that kind of force from the wind. So what do you think they could have done to test it, to make sure that new bridges were improved so that they didn't have that happen to them in any other types of situations? Okay. When you are finished, you need to raise your hand and show me what you came up with for today.